Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on offline mode for Google Docs on your Windows PC so you can create and edit documents without an internet connection. First, open drive.google.com in Chrome and make sure you're signed into the Google account you use for Docs. Next, click the gear icon at the top right and choose Settings. Then find Offline and toggle on Create, open and edit your recent Google Docs, sheet and slide files on the device while offline. If prompted, allow the Google Docs offline extension to install. After that, wait a few moments for your recent files to sync. The process may show in Drive. For best results, keep Chrome sign in and allow the sync to finish before going offline. Finally, when you are offline, open docs.google.com or drive.google.com/drive/offline. Access and edit your sync document. Changes will sync back to the cloud once you reconnect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.